Are you trying to log into your Yahoo Mail through Outlook, but it keeps failing with login errors? This is a super common issue that frustrates a lot of people. Yahoo has specific security requirements, like app-specific passwords, third-party app access settings, that needs to be configured before Outlook can connect to your account. Without these settings properly enabled, Outlook will just keep rejecting your login attempts. To help you, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to generate an app password, adjust your Yahoo security settings, and get your Yahoo email working perfectly. And if you need extra help, our tech experts are just a call away at the numbers on the screen. Let's get you logged in. Step 1. Check your IMAP settings. First thing you should do is open your Outlook application. After that, click on the File tab and choose the Add Account option. Next, type your Yahoo Mail address and click on the Connect option. Now, you should just choose the IMAP option and enter the details in the box like this. After that, open the Outgoing Mail Server option, type the details that you're seeing here, and then click on Next. Check if the problem has been resolved after doing the IMAP settings. If yes, then subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, continue with the next solution. Step 2. Use the app password. First, you should launch your Yahoo Mail account. Then, go to the profile icon and click on the Account Info option. Once on the next page, click on the Security tab. After that, scroll down and click on the Generate App Password option. Once you see this page, write a name in the search section and then choose the Generate Password option. When the password is generated, paste it into Outlook and see if it works.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.